Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by immediately locking a takedown-capable brawler and scanning lanes for weak targets. This gives you tempo. Once done, move to choke points where enemies overextend and position yourself to punish mistakes. You want to force low-health trades, so make small, safe engages that drain shields and abilities. Communicate a simple plan to teammates, who will peel and who will finish, because synchronized pressure converts poke into clean takedowns. Next, you focus on isolating a target using crowd control or terrain. This is where the middle of the plan lies. Once you land a stun or pull, commit quickly. Your burst must exceed their remaining options. Make sure to bait or bait fake to force escapes early, then punish with coordinated follow-up damage. Keep vision on key cooldowns and rotate to support a teammate's engage. That layered pressure turns skirmishes into guaranteed takedowns. Finally, you close the fight by focusing the lowest HP target and timing your burst for guaranteed elimination. Accuracy matters here. Once the takedown lands, use any resets or supers to either secure another kill or escape to regroup. Make sure to reset, heal, reload, and reorganize before re-engaging. If things go wrong, back off immediately, deny vision, and wait for enemy cooldowns to expire. That pause turns failed attempts into future advantages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.